In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and update a specific location's days and hours of operation. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have either your enterprise selected or the specific location whose hours you want to view, then click on Locations. Then click on your location. Once you arrive at your location's information page, click on Days/Hours at the top of the chart. You should now arrive at a list of your location's days and hours. First, you should see a column with the days of the week. To change which day is the first day of your work week, click on the circle next to that day. Let's say I want my work week to start on Monday, so I will click that circle, and now that's the beginning of my week. This is a coffee shop, and certain days of the week are busier than others, so I'm going to rank those days as a higher priority. That way, when I use the autofill feature to schedule my employees, those high traffic days will be filled first, and any empty shifts will be pushed to the lower traffic days. This cafe is on a college campus, so I'm going to say that it's busier during the week. I will click the priority next to Monday and change that to, we'll say 8. Tuesday we'll do 8. Now the days of the week will be filled before the weekend shifts. Let's say that this cafe is closed on Sunday because there are no classes on Sunday. I will click this box, and now no one will be scheduled on Sunday because there are no working hours. Next, select the start time for your location. If on Mondays I need employees there by 7, I will click this clock icon and scroll all the way down to 7 in the morning. Since this cafe is at a college campus, they'll stay open a little bit later, maybe till 10 o'clock at night. So for the end of that shift, I will click on the clock and scroll all the way to 10 p.m. I can do the same thing for the rest of the days of the week. I could click the clock again, or I could enter 7 a.m., go over, and enter 10 p.m. And now every day has a start and an end time. Next, I need to add the minimum heads. That's the minimum number of employees that can be working in order for this cafe to function. This is a smaller cafe, so I will say that there needs to be a minimum of 3 people working at any time. So I'll click up to 3 on each day. I also need to give a maximum number of heads. That's the maximum number of people I would want working at a time. Let's say 8, because no more people can really work back there at a time. If I like all of these adjustments and I want to save it, I can choose Save at the bottom of the chart. A little green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when this page was last saved, and the chart will have rearranged itself. You can see Monday is now at the beginning because that's the day I marked as the first day of the work week, and all of my changes have been saved. That's how you can view and update your specific location's days and hours. To learn how to adjust your employees' settings for their swap board and other features, check out the next video.